20 divided by 2 over 3 times 3. 3 into here 1, 3 into here 1. We are left with 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2 will give us 10. 10 is the wrong answer to this question because we will not solve it appropriately. According to the order of operations, division and multiplication have equal priorities. So we have to work from our left to right, which is we have to solve this division first before solving the multiplication. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we have to solve our division, which is 20 divided by 2 over 3, using the rule of KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 20, change division to multiplication, then flip 2 over 3 to 3 over 2 times 3. 2 into here 1, 2 into here 10. Then we are left with 10 times 3 times 3. 10 times 3 will give us 30. Then we have 30 times 3. 30 times 3 will give us 90. 90 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.